Discover the top 7 best pickleball paddles, so can perfect for the gaming pickleball paddles to elevate your game. With options catering to beginners and pros alike, this list highlights the paddles, chosen for their quality, performance, and unique features. From lightweight designs to enhanced control, these paddles offer something for every player style, helping you improve accuracy, power, and overall play. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 7. KIRK Amped Invicta. The KIRK Amped Invicta pickleball paddle is designed for players seeking both power and precision. With its innovative FiberFlex fiberglass face and X5 polypropylene core, it offers exceptional control, a large sweet spot, and enhanced spin potential, making it ideal for strategic players who enjoy varying their shots. The paddle's mid-weight range provides a balanced feel, offering a blend of maneuverability and powerful hits, without compromising stability. Its elongated shape gives you extended reach, perfect for players who need more court coverage and like to play close to the net. The KIRK Amped Invicta's handle offers a comfortable grip with a slightly extended length, enhancing control for two-handed backhands and quick reactions. Designed with vibration-dampening technology, this paddle reduces fatigue, allowing you to maintain precision even in long games. Trusted by professional and recreational players alike, the Amped Invicta is an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their pickleball skills. Number 6. Jula Ben John's Hyperion. The Jula Ben John's Hyperion pickleball paddle is crafted to deliver exceptional power, control, and spin, making it a top choice for serious players. Developed in collaboration with pro player Ben Johns, this paddle incorporates innovative features to enhance performance on the court. It boasts a unique carbon friction surface, CFS, for increased spin potential, and a reactive polymer honeycomb core, which provides a powerful and responsive feel. The Hyperion paddle is designed with an elongated shape, adding reach and control for precision shots, while its ergonomic grip ensures comfort even in long matches. At a medium weight, it offers a balanced feel suitable for a range of playing styles. The Jula Ben John's Hyperion is crafted from premium materials, providing durability for competitive play. Ideal for intermediate and advanced players, this paddle helps improve accuracy, power, and overall handling, making it an excellent choice for those looking to take their game to the next level. Number 5. Head Radical Elite. The Head Radical Elite is an ideal pickleball paddle for players looking to elevate their game. Crafted with a fiberglass hitting surface, it provides an optimal blend of power and control, making it perfect for intermediate players who value versatility. The Radical Elite's textured face enhances spin potential, giving players the ability to add finesse to their shots while maintaining impressive power. Designed with Head's unique polypropylene honeycomb core, the paddle ensures a solid feel and excellent durability, with shock absorption that reduces impact on the wrist and arm. Its ergonomic handle grip, coupled with the paddle's balanced weight, enhances control and maneuverability, allowing players to react quickly and play comfortably during long matches. With its bold design and vibrant colors, the Head Radical Elite stands out on the court. Whether you're refining your skills or competing in tournaments, this paddle offers consistent performance to match your passion and skill. Number 4. Gamma NuCore Pickleball Paddle. The Gamma NuCore Pickleball Paddle is crafted for players who crave control, power, and precision. Engineered with Gamma's innovative NuCore technology, the paddle features a 25% thicker polymer core, delivering an exceptional blend of responsiveness and quieter play. This unique core structure enhances the paddle's feel, providing more stability and a larger sweet spot for improved accuracy and consistency on every shot. The paddle's graphite face offers a light, soft touch, allowing for enhanced ball control without sacrificing power. With its textured surface, the NuCore paddle also delivers increased spin potential, helping you place shots with precision. The paddle's ergonomic Gamma honeycomb cushion grip ensures optimal comfort, reducing hand fatigue and providing a firm, slip-resistant hold for extended gameplay. Ideal for intermediate to advanced players, the Gamma NuCore pickleball paddle combines cutting-edge materials and thoughtful design to elevate your game. Whether you're in intense competition or casual play, this paddle provides the quality and control you need to excel. Number 3. Prite Titan Pro Black Diamond. The Prite Titan Pro Black Diamond is a high-performance, ultra-light sleeping pad designed for outdoor enthusiasts who demand comfort and durability in extreme conditions. Featuring an innovative closed-cell foam core with a premium black diamond insulation layer, it offers exceptional warmth-to-weight ratio, ensuring comfort on cold ground without added bulk. The pad's textured surface provides extra grip, preventing slipping on uneven terrain, while its rugged exterior resists punctures and abrasions, making it reliable for all-season adventures. With its ultralight compact design, the Titan Pro Black Diamond rolls up small to fit easily in any backpack, saving space for other essentials. Prite's easy inflate technology ensures quick setup and deflation, ideal for fast-moving treks, backpacking, or mountaineering. Made to meet the high demands of outdoor adventurers, this pad balances weight, warmth, and durability, making it an essential addition to your gear for a comfortable, restful night in the backcountry. Number 2. Franklin Sports Signature Pro. The Franklin Sports Signature Pro is the ultimate choice for athletes and fans alike, crafted with quality and performance in mind. This Signature Series ball is designed to mimic professional-level construction and deliver exceptional durability and precision. Made from high-quality materials, it offers a realistic feel and grip, ideal for training, autographs, or display. Built to meet the needs of sports enthusiasts, the Signature Pro features a sleek, classic design that's perfect for collectors and athletes. Whether you're honing your skills on the field or adding it to your sports memorabilia, this ball is made to impress. The sturdy construction withstands the rigors of repeated play, while the premium finish makes it perfect for personal signatures or team memorabilia. Ideal for fans of all ages, the Franklin Sports Signature Pro is an essential addition for anyone who loves sports, combining a professional touch with high-performance functionality. Make every play memorable with Franklin's best-in-class sports gear. Number 1. Onyx Graphite Z5. The Onyx Graphite Z5 is a premium pickleball paddle that combines outstanding control, power, and comfort, making it a top choice for players at any skill level. This paddle features a graphite face for precision and accuracy, allowing players to place their shots with confidence. The Z5 is crafted with a Nomex honeycomb core, delivering a powerful punch while maintaining a lightweight feel for quick, responsive play. With its wide-body shape, the Z5 provides an extended sweet spot, giving players greater forgiveness on off-center shots. Its ergonomic handle, similar to a tennis racket, offers a comfortable, natural grip, making it easy to maneuver and switch shots smoothly during intense rallies. Weighing 7.5 to 8.2 ounces, the Onyx Graphite Z5 balances control and power, perfect for strategic players who also want to add some force to their shots. Built for durability and versatility, this paddle is an excellent investment for those serious about improving their game. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best pickleball paddles. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.